Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through a 2026 Sea Ray 370 Sundancer outboard. Starting here off the transom, we have Mercury V12 600s in black, sea deck on the swim platform. We have a nice storage compartment here, perfect for fenders and dot lines. On the back here, I like to call this the 3-position aft seat because you could lay it flat and also have it face aft. Put it in the forward position. Moving into the boat, we have the infinity woven snap-in carpet. Storage underneath all the seats on the port and starboard side. We have two teak cockpit tables, port and starboard side. That's stored down here in your bilge compartment. Moving down here, being that this boat is outboard powered, you have an amazing amount of storage down here. This boat also is equipped with a Seakeeper gyro stabilizer. Port side wet bar. We have a Kenyon electric grill with a refrigerator underneath. Sink. And 2 storage drawers. This boat is equipped with a retractable shore shade that will go aft right towards the motors and shade this whole cockpit area. Moving further up, you can see that this boat is equipped with full side glass. We have the big front windshield, tons of visibility, and also the port and starboard side full glass windshield. Moving here to the helm, Fusion stereo, 2 Simrad units, your Mercury joystick piloting, Lenco trim tabs, VHF radio. We have the opening skylight. And we also have helm AC. So you see these 2 units. This whole top deck is air conditioned. Moving down below, sink, refrigerator, microwave, stand-up head compartment with a separate shower. Tons of headroom down here, plenty of natural light. This bed, this is in the couch position, and you could also make this into one full bed, bigger bed. In the aft cabin here, this will convert into a sleeping area as well, and you also have a TV back here. Moving out of the cabin, up towards the bow, show you how this door works. Very nice, assisted, easy to open and close. Moving up towards the bow, no step here. The grip-ons, one surface, making it easy to get up here. And great amount of seating up here. This flips up just like that. Lay it back down flat if you want it to lounge. There's also access to your windlass anchor. There's a freshwater shower up here so you can clean it. Also a handheld remote to pick it up and drop it. This whole area gets covered with a piece of canvas. That's it for today's walkthrough. Give us a call at MarineMax Huntington 631-956-4865. Thank you.